Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Muhammad Qasim says that, in this dream I hear the voice of Allah. Allah affirms, Qasim, take this message of mine to the Muslims. Allah, the Lord of Glory, begins to speak in anger, and I become afraid. O Muslims, where is your honor? Your population is more than 1.5 billion, but to ruin it, referring to Israel, is a far cry. You could not even persuade Israel to cease fire. O Muslims,